do we have made any changes to your life?
I came with the lower back and the TMJ and the neck problem. And my lower back problem has been resolved almost, I would say 85% completely.
Something about chiropractic. Why do you choose chiropractic?
Relief without any medication, first and foremost. And the results have been quite quick.
And we don't call people regularly.
Yeah.
We let the patient decide
When to come. Yeah.
how frequently you want it. And good thing is we have Abhishek. This is first visit, so we're going to perform adjustment on angles. And then do his foot analysis, as we have seen is.
Oh. Oh.
So in Abhishek's back, it's a hunchback, Unlike you can see, there's a lot of protrusion. It's a slant here. This part has become rounded, so his shoulder has drooped too much forward, and there's a compromise of the curvature at the lower back. You can just expose and show, flatten, and because of this, glutes or buttocks, this doesn't stick here, is because of similar reason that he has started losing all the muscle from here. So we need to improve this by his mechanical adjustment from the feet. And I'm sure next 4 weeks to 8 weeks, this hunch will reduce tremendously. Easy, breathe out. Breathe out. Done. Breathe out. Very still. Other side. Easy. Breathe out. Straight. Neck is comparatively better compared to the middle and the lower back.